In this lesson, we are going to write a code to convert text to speech using the GTTS. GTTS is a Google-based text-to-speech library, and this will help us to convert a text into speech. So let's get started. I have created a project where I'm going to create a new file, named it as text to speech, text to speech file. We'll start off with importing the GTTS library from Python libraries. Is GTTS import this function, which is define text to speech, declare text and language, which is equal to English, and file name, which is the output file. So output not MP3. PTTS is equal to GTTS, and text is equal to text which we will send to this. So we are creating a GTTS object over here, and language is equal to language. Let's mention that this is a global text to speech. Once this is created, we'll use gtts.save and the file name. This file name and this file name is the same. We are also going to print out audio is audio saved, and then the file name within braces. Since we are using formatted string over here, we are going to include one F string. By using the F, this will mean this is a formatted string, and the file name will be representing the same file name which we used for creating the audio output. For the function, put a colon over here. Here we are going to write an exception. Before the exception, we are going to put a track and format this file. Exception as E. Print and again formatted string header equal the this is the we are going to include this exception inside the exit as part of the exit and then print it out. Once this is done, my text is equal to how are you doing? This will be outside the function. Now we are going to call the function from here, text to speech, my text, which we already entered over here, and language, which is English, and the file name. We are going to put the same file name as above. You can put the same or we can put a different file name if you get overwritten over there. Now just reformat the file. Now if we execute this, you will be able to see that an audio output file will be created using this text. So audio saved, you can see over here, one audio file has got created by. So to execute this, just open this in the QuickTime template. So whatever we had given in the text, it it's able to convert that text into audio using the GTTS library. Hey guys, we created this program to convert text to speech. Now we will create a program to convert multiple text to multiple speeches using a CSV file. First of all, we are going to create a new file over here and name it as Python text to speech .csv file. In the CSV file, we are going to enter a lot of text speeches. Let's say, how are you, comma, what do you do, where are you from, what is your name. I included a comma in all the phrases so that the CSV can understand these are single phrases. Now to read the CSV file over here, I'm going to import a library which is a CSV library. CSV file. Uh, let's open the CSV file. open function, and here we provide the name of the file, which is we just provided Python text to speech. Just write Python text to speech CSV file, and we provide the mode, which is read only. We just need to read the information from the file as file. Now we'll take a variable CSV file, and using the CSV library, we are going to use the CSV reader function and read this file. Start a loop for lines in CSV file. So here we are going to use the text to speech function, and instead of the text, we will use join with the lines. Mode language is English. File name is audio output. And here we are going to give one parameter, and the extension of the file would be the MP3. Convert the parameter into a string function. Define I is equal to 0 before the start of the loop, and increment the value of I every time a new line is read. We'll format the file, and this will create multiple audios from multiple text. This is the CSV, and these are the audio files. I would play one of the files,
How are you? What do you do? Where are
so
you
you can
from?
hear
What is your name?
the files one after the other. So this way we can create multiple audios using a multiple text inside a CSV. You can add as many texts as required, and it will keep creating those audios. So thanks for watching. These are all the CSV which we have.